Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. We initiate today's program with the Qiraat, the recitation from the Holy Quran by Brother Ashraf Muhammadi.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الله لا إله إلا هو الحي القيوم لا تأخذه سنة ولا نوم له ما في السماوات وما في الأرض من ذا الذي يشفع عنده إلا بإذنه يعلم ما بين أيديهم وما خلفهم ولا يحيطون بشيء من علمه إلا بما شاء وسع كرسيه السماوات والأرض ولا يؤوده حفظهما وهو العلي العظيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل يا أهل الكتاب تعالوا إلى كلمة سواء بيننا وبينكم ألا نعبد إلا الله ولا نشرك به شيئا ولا يتخذ بعضنا بعضا أربابا من دون الله فإن تولوا فقولوا اشهدوا بأننا مسلمون. صدق الله العظيم. The translation from Surah Al-Baqarah, chapter 2, verse 255. I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the accursed. In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Allah, there is no God but He, the living, the self-subsisting, eternal. No slumber can seize Him, nor sleep. His are all the things in the heavens and on earth. Who is there can intercede in His presence except as He permits? He knows what appears to His creatures as before or after or behind Him, nor shall they compass aught of His knowledge except as He wills. His throne does extend over the heavens and the earth, and He feels no fatigue in the guarding and preserving them, for He is the Most High, the Supreme in glory. In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Say, O people of the book, come to common terms as between us and you, that we worship none but Allah, that we associate no partners with Him, that we erect not from among ourselves lords and patrons other than Allah. If then they turn back, say, bear witness that we at least are Muslims bowing to the will of Allah. Verily, Allah has spoken the truth.
Respected brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum. May peace be on you. On behalf of the Islamic Research Foundation, I, Dr. Muhammad Naik, welcome all of you to today's program. As did I, you may too have read 2 days back in the sacred space of the Times of India, Mumbai, the following verses, and I quote, "Hold fast all together to God's rope and be not divided among yourselves. Remember with gratitude God's favor on you, for you were enemies, and he joined your hearts in love, so that by his grace you became brethren. Let there arise out of you one community, inviting to all that is good, enjoining what is right, and forbidding what is wrong. Holy Quran, Surah Al-Imran, chapter 3, verses 103 and 104. This quotation aptly represents the Islamic Research Foundation's striving for Islamic Dawah, the proper presentation, understanding and clarification of the message of Islam amongst Muslim and non-Muslims, as well as removing misconceptions about Islam amongst Muslims and non-Muslims. Reason, logic and modern scientific understanding are the basis of all our presentations. The IRF office complex has a video cassette library, a publication department, a cable and satellite television production studio, an audio-video recording department, and a computer department. It also has a multi-purpose audio-visual reading room, an auditorium, a sales outlet called Islamic Dimensions, a ladies' wing, and a children's wing. These provide the much-needed facilities and services for understanding the overall excellence of Islam and its proper teachings. The IRF office complex and its facilities are open from 10 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. daily except Fridays. The regular programs of the IRF include organizing public lectures followed by open question and answer sessions like this one today, symposias, open forum interactions, and other such programs. Providing more than 3,500 video cassette titles on Islam and comparative religion to the public on free hire. Free distribution of more than 50 publications on Islam on request. Distribution of the Holy Quran with translation for understanding the message of God meant for the whole of humankind. Regular interactions internationally on the internet for presenting the proper message of Islam as well as removing misconceptions about Islam. The IRF also has its own website for providing information and clarifications about Islam. Through the cable TV relay networks in Mumbai alone, the IRF video cassettes on Islam reach more than 1 million homes daily for approximately 3 hours. The ATN satellite TV channel telecasts IRF programs on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays from 6 to 6:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time across 68 countries of the world. The NEPC satellite TV channel and other TV channels too telecast IRF programs regularly. Dr. Zakir Naik, though a medical doctor by professional training, has devoted himself for analyzing Islam and other religions objectively, to understand and spread the real truth, understanding and clarifications about religion as a way of life. He is an international orator on Islam and comparative religion. In fact, in the last 1 year itself, in addition to his many talks in India, Dr. Zakir has delivered more than 160 public talks abroad in the United States of America, Canada, the United Kingdom, South Africa, Singapore, Malaysia, Saudi Arabia, Sri Lanka and Bahrain. He will inshallah leave next weekend for a series of public talks in Kuwait. He is acclaimed widely for his logical, reasonable and scientific approach towards this subject. He is appreciated for his comparative knowledge of Hinduism, Judaism, Christianity and Islam, especially for his verbatim quotations from religious scriptures. Concept of God in major religions. Why have we chosen